Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Jamaican Walkabout Scotland vlog. So, I am here in Edinburgh and I'm at the Observatory, and I'll be showing you what it's like in this part of Edinburgh. It's quite nice. I'll be turning the camera around shortly and you'll get to see the landscape. As you can see behind me is Auto Seat. Yes. And there is the observatory. It's also um, partly research, a research center where the University of Edinburgh and other personnels do research on astronomy and so forth. So I'll take you closer and I'll be going around the surrounding area to show you what it's like. There are so many beautiful places in Edinburgh, and I'm not big on wanting to take like um, city center videos. I like the outskirts, I like the woodlands, I like the countryside, towns and so forth. Because sometimes you have nice historic buildings. But this one, it's not in the city center, it's just outside. But I just believe it's a nice place to start this vlog, as this place get many visitors, and during the summer it's packed with people just lying on the grass or just standing around enjoying, basking in the sunshine. So it's nice today, it's sunny, so I can do without a raincoat. Yeah, so here we go. Look as if it's going to rain later, I think. Well, I see. So this observatory is also a scientific research environment. You've got many students come for different courses and so forth. If you're going to be a study astronomy or equivalent subject relating to space, etc., this is the place. Yes. They are refurbishing at the moment. I've never actually been in one. I'm hoping that one day I'll be able to go into one of these buildings, but it's huge. And over there, I think, is where they do the research and other stuff, and car parks and so over there. I think there's a way to get around that side. Let me check. I think there's a walkway somewhere. I don't know. I think I'll go this way. Okay, so this is what the Royal Observatory looks like. And the research bits there. There's construction work going on everywhere. Wow. So it's like these are some of the stuff. So you've got the observatory itself and UK Astronomy Technology Centre. So there's a lot of stuff happening here, and the University of Edinburgh Astronomy Department. Um, no public access. I don't know if they accept visitors. Maybe it's just pure research, I guess. I think I go around. Let me see. There must be something else. I think I can go down this. Yes, I can go down this way. So look, just a second. It's beautiful. Just continue. So I think I can go this way. Let me see. I wonder. Maybe not. Oh, there's a wee gap there. And let me see. Oh yes, I can. Right. There we go. And the surrounding area. So probably during the summer they might accept visitors. Maybe I'll have to go online to find out if it's something they do, but a lot of research is happening, so I don't know if that's an option. I'm going to see if I can get a view from up this side. Ah yeah,
Hello.
good morning. There's no good view from this side. Shocking. It's all bush. Okay. I think those are the two viewing towers. No, let me see. Don't know about that one, but those two there. And I don't know what that is, this one here, but these two, one, two. It would be nice one day to get to visit inside. I don't know if they use it as a tourist attraction. I don't see tourists coming and going. Mainly people work there, researchers, students. So that's really interesting. Uh-huh. So I guess I will have to view from outside and get the best pictures I can. Mhm. Just, just look at the view from here. Look at all the sea. Gosh, how beautiful it is. Let me just get a picture from here while I'm in this bit. Just look how awesome it is. Just see the trees in the way. There we go. Okay, so this is the observatory from a little up the hill and the surrounding area. I think I need to get further up for the epic view. So I don't think they are allowing visitors at the moment. They're doing refurbishing, so it's mainly research personnel and students that are there at the moment. This is a better view. Yes, so the many things you can view or see in Edinburgh. And as you can see, just over there is the outskirts of the city. We're touching the Pentlands up that ridge there. That's the Pentlands. That's now out of the city. Outskirts, the city outskirts. This is a better view. That's much better. Just go a little up. Right, so this must be one radio tower serving this area. I guess it's directly linked with the observatory in some way, which I think it's convenient, naturally. And it's on the hill. Okay. I think it's drizzling a bit. So I would recommend any Jamaicans visiting Edinburgh to get out of the city centre, Princess Street, and visit some of the sites near in the outskirts. The observatory is a nice place to come and visit. Well, I don't know if you'll be able to get in by then, if they'll open it up for visitors, but they are doing some refurbishing at the moment and research and students, so it's quite busy. But I don't know if by summer it will be open for visitors. I think so, because that's when loads of business make money, because of the festivities that happen in this area. Okay, so here I am on the hilltop. That's it in the distance. And all around, luxury apartment bungalows. And the map. Just get to east. Wait a second. Here we go. Scottish Natural Heritage. Blackford Hill. Let's go around Kenzie Power Station. That's way down East Lothian. Oh, Water Seat. Castle, right in that direction. That's direct, almost north, direct north. Dalmahoy. That's southwest. Radium. Okay, this one. Morefoot Hill. Morefoot. Morefoot. Probably need more foot for through. So look, Royal Observatory area. It's absolutely amazing, the view. Just so beautiful. Just take part two. Alright, so which way to descend from now? So I guess I'll be going down this way instead. Looks dangerous. Gosh, looks like a precipice over there. Whoa. Should I go down this way? Wow, it looks really dangerous. Look at that. It looks like a sheer cliff. Let me just go anyway. Wish me luck. Let me see where it ends up. Just follow the path. Just follow the path. Okay. There are steps. I mean, luck. Not bad. Okay. Where am I going? Oh yes, there we go. Okay. Just take one more view before I go. Can't get a good view from here. Just take a. Okay. Alright. Down we go. Seems as if there's at least 100 steps. I think this is a good place to strengthen one's cardio. All these steps, if there are at least 100 steps, I think it would be good for exercise. Just walking up without stopping. Can you imagine? Ooh. Okay. Let me just take this bit because it's a lot quicker for now. So, yeah. Hi, building your cardio. Oh. Yes. Yeah, man. Definitely. You know it, go. I know you're puffing, but go. You're almost there, ladies. Almost. Oh, gosh. Better them than me. They're happy though. Oh gosh. Yeah. They're almost at the end. Yes. Just near the top. Good for them. Let's see how far. That's how far they've reached. They've got about 20 more steps. Oof. good. I'm at the end. Let me just give you a final view. Yes, so it's a shame because I was hoping that it was open, but as you can see, they are doing some refurbishing, so I doubt that they'll allow visitors. Only essential personals, researchers, the lecturers, students, um, etc. But hopefully by summer it will be open for visitors, open to the public, and especially because tourist season is quite big during this time of the year. So thanks for watching. Hope that you enjoy my wee journey. I'll keep posting new places that I'll visit. The thing is, I prefer to record the countryside and woodlands and so forth because I just like outdoors. I don't like the city center too much. So if you find most of my vlogs have content regarding the outskirts of cities and woodlands and farms and so forth, it's because I love these walks. So journey along with me as I explore Edinburgh and parts of Scotland. Thanks for watching.